Hello guys, you are welcome to today's class. Today we want to balance a redox equation. I want to show you the simple steps to balance ionic equation. So here we have a question here that says balance the redox equation for the reaction of a thin dioic acid with potassium manganese 7 in an acidic solution, in an acidic medium. So we want to see how that goes. So I'll be taking you through step by step, about 5 or 6 steps to solving this problem. The first step is for you to write out the half equations. The first step is to write out the half equations. That means you bring out the oxidation, you bring out the reduction. So for oxidation, what will it be? So that will be your ethene dioic acid, H2C2O4, and when you go to the product side, you're going to liberate CO2 gas. That's the oxidation. And what will be the reduction? Reduction has to do with the potassium permanganate. That's your MnO4 minus, and when it comes to this side, it's going to give you Mn2 plus. So that's the first step. So the second step is for you to balance each half atom wise. Balance each half atom wise. So let's go. We have the H2C2O4, and on this side we have the CO2. So look at it, we have hydrogen here and we don't have hydrogen here. We have carbon, there's carbon, we have oxygen, there's oxygen. So what they told us in acidic medium, the wise thing for me to do is to put my hydrogen ion. So putting hydrogen ion, all the atoms on the left side is now present on the right side. So but I check for we have 2 hydrogen, we have only 1 here, so I put 2 to balance it. We have 2 carbon, we have 1 carbon, I put 2 here. We have 4 oxygen, now 2 times 2, oxygen is balanced. Atom wise, the first half is balanced. So you balance the second half, atom wise. So what do we have? We have manganese, there's oxygen here, and there's no oxygen here. So what I need to do to balance that is to add H2O. So H2O have imported oxygen. And while importing oxygen, I've also introduced hydrogen that is not found here. And because in acidic medium, I will have to add hydrogen ion here. Alright, so the next thing for me to check the number of atoms on the product on the left side to be sure that it's the same on the right side. Manganese is 1, manganese 1. So if you look at it, oxygen is 4. So if I put 4 here, oxygen is balanced, hydrogen is 8. So what I need to do is to put 8 here. So 8 hydrogen atom balanced with this. Atom wise, that is balanced. So the next thing for me to go to the next step, that's step 3. Step 3 is for me to balance each half electron wise. Balance each half electron wise. So balancing the electron wise, consider the oxidation state. It's the oxidation state that will help you to balance the electron wise. Alright, so let's go. This first half, oxidation state here is 0. Oxidation state of here is 0. Oxidation state here is plus 1 times 2. That means on this left side we have 0. On this right side we have plus 2. So what do I need to balance it? I must ensure that the number of electrons on the right side must be equal to the number of electrons on the left side. And to do that, what I need to do is to put 2 minus. So that plus 2 minus 2 will give me 0. So the electron on the right side is now the same to the number of electrons on the left side. So that half is balanced. Let's go to the second half. I hope you are following. If you have any problem, you know how to reach me. Of course, you can put out your comment for us to get through to that. Okay. Alright. Here, number of electron here. Here is manganese minus. Here minus here. So here is minus 1. Here is plus 8. So minus 1 plus 8 will give me plus 7. Is that right? Good. So here is plus 2 and here is 0. So number of electron here, right side is plus 2. Number of electron on the left side is plus 7. So for me to balance it, I need to introduce electron. So that will give me 5 electron this side. So that minus 5 plus 7 will give me plus 2. So total number of electron here is plus 2. Total number of electron here is also plus 2. That's balanced. That step is settled. You can see that following it step by step makes it very easy. So the next thing is for me After balancing the electron atom wise and electron wise, next thing for me to ensure that number of electrons on each side are the same. So for me to do that, I have to think of a factor that will multiply through each of these half. So the next step is multiply each half by an appropriate factor. Alright, appropriate factor to balance the mind you, there are electron gain and loss in the oxidation and reduction, so it's to balance the electron loss and gain, all right, as the case may be. So that do go about that. So look at it again. So if I from here now, if I multiply here by, I have to multiply here by 5, multiply here by 2 to make sure the electrons are the same. So if I multiply here by 5, I'm going to have 5 times this will give me 5H2C2O4 to give me 5 times 2 will give me 10CO2. I hope you are following. 5 times 2 will give me 10 hydrogen ion plus 10 electron. Okay, so multiply this one by 2. 2 times 5 will give me 10 electron plus 2 manganese O4 minus plus 2 times 8 will give me 16 hydrogen ion. Okay, 2 times this will give me 2 Mn2 plus 2 times 4 will give me 8H2O. Alright, so I've multiplied that. So the next thing is for me to cancel out what is present in each of the half, what is found here and is also found here. Alright, so let me just put it like this. Cancel out substances, if I may use that word, substances found in each half. Alright, so what are the substances found in each half? Electron is here, so cancel this electron, cancel this electron. Alright, what's also found there? Hydrogen is found here, hydrogen is found here. If I cancel 10 out of 6, out of 16, we have 6 left. Alright, okay, so after cancelling out, I will now add them together, alright. So okay, so let's that means you bring the reactant side together, you bring the product side together, and that gives you the overall equation. So let's have it. 5H2C2O4 plus 2MnO4 minus plus 6 hydrogen ion. Alright, that's the reactant. So to the product will be 10CO2 plus 2Mn2 plus 8H2O. Alright, so that is the overall equation. So let's confirm. After doing everything, cross check. How many hydrogen atoms? 5 times 2, this is 10 plus 6 here, that's 16. Then 8 times 2, that balance hydrogen atom, 16 here, 16 here. Let's go to the carbon. 5 times 2, that is 10 carbon and 10 carbon, that's balanced. Oxygen, 5 times 4, that's 20. 2 times 4, that's 8. So carbon and oxygen atom here is 28. However, here this is oxygen 10 times 2, 20, and this is 8, 28. That's balanced. Manganese 2, manganese 2. So this is the overall redox equation for this question. Alright, so go through it. If you have any question, put it in the comment section or check through my